Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, that's very good. Today I am here to teach you change the voice. Here I have made a flowchart. Through this flowchart, you can easily understand that there are two types of voice. The first one is active voice and the second is passive voice. Now, how can we recognize that the sentence is related to active form or passive form? Students, don't be confused because it is very easy to assume this fact. Because in active voice, our main focus is on subject. We emphasize on subject. I mean to say each and everything depends on subject. Whereas in passive voice, our main focus is on object. Each and everything depends on object. Through this example, it will be more clear for you. In active form, we will write here a sentence. I write a letter. In this sentence, I is working as subject. Write is the tense indicator and a letter is object of this sentence. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now, for passive voice, first of all, we replaces the places of subject and object. Subject will take place of object and object will take place of subject. A letter. A letter. Then there is need of helping verb. And which helping verb is used in passive voice? It will tell through this indicator, this tense indicator. Yes, here the first form is used, means it is relating to present indefinite tense. Yes, then we will make use of is helping verb because a letter is singular. If there is plural subject, then we will make use of are, but now we will make use of is. A letter is. After that, past participle means B3. Write, wrote, written. A letter is written, then preposition by, then subject will replace here as object and it will change into me. In active form, I write a letter. The main focus is on subject. मैं पत्र लिखता हूँ, मैं एक पत्र लिखता हूँ. But in passive voice, the main focus is on a letter, on object, which is working as subject. A letter is written by me. एक पत्र मेरे द्वारा लिखा जाता है. So there is a difference. In active voice, the focus is on subject, whereas in passive voice, the focus is on object, which is working as subject in passive voice, what as object in active voice. Have you understood it? Okay. There are 3 rules for changing active sentences into passive sentences. The first one is replacement of subject into object and object into subject. Rule 2, we will make use of by preposition before before new object. What is the new object? The new object is the subject of the active voice. This is the new object of the passive voice. Before this new object, we will put preposition by. Then use of helping verbs. Helping verb according to tense with past participle. Now, first two rules are very simple. You can easily understand it. But the third one is little bit tricky. To understand it, you have to concentrate on tense chart, because tense chart is very important in English grammar. So pay attention on tense chart. Here, use of helping verb. What is the helping verb? Is. Helping verb according to tense. This is the tense indicator. Through this indication, we make use of is with past participle. Past participle means B3. Got it? Okay. Very good. Now, I will tell you the list of pronouns which is used in active and passive voice. That how can they work in active voice and passive voice. In active form, in active voice, they are working as subjects, while in passive voice, they will take place of object. As I will change into by me, we, by us, you, by you, he, by him, she, by her, it will remain same as you, by it, they, by them, and who, by whom. So this is the list of active voice, and in passive voice, object will replace with subject. Me, I, us, we, you, him, he, her, she, it will remain same, them, they, whom, who. Is it clear, students? In active form, these are the pronouns which are changed with this list when they change into passive voice. And if the question is in passive form, then this is the list of objects which are replaces with subject when we change them into active voice. So now it's time to learn about the voice of present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense. In active form, in present indefinite tense, what is the rule of present indefinite tense? Tell me quickly. Yes. Subject plus V1 or V1's S or ES plus object. In passive voice, we make use of helping verb is, am, are with be3 plus by. Here is an example. He drinks water. So, in passive voice, what will we write? Water. Water will work as subject. Water is drink. Drink is the first form, and we have to write here verb's third form. Drink, drank, drunk. Is drunk by he, him. In past indefinite tense, yes, the rule subject plus be2 plus object. Yes. In passive form, we will make use of was and were helping verb plus past participle and by. Example, he drank water. In passive voice, what will we write? Water was drunk by him. Easy? Yes. Third, future indefinite tense. What is the rule of future indefinite tense, students? Yes, it's subject plus will or shall plus be1 and object. What is the rule of passive voice? Will be, shall be plus be3 and by. Yes. Now here is the example. He will play football. Answer will football will be played by him. So, is it clear, students? Yes. I have given you the information of three tenses. First is present indefinite tense. Indication of present indefinite tense is there is a use of verbs first form with s or s with the singular nouns, whereas bear be1 with plural nouns. So in passive voice, we will make use of is, am, are helping verb with past participle with by. And in past indefinite tense, there is only use of be2, no s or es. be2 is only used with, is mostly used with singular noun or plural noun. And was and were are the helping verbs which are used in past indefinite tense. And in future indefinite tense, there is use of will, shall with verbs first form. And in passive form, we will make use of will be or shall be with verbs third form with by. In this way, you will solve the rest of the exercise which is given in your book. Thanks. Have a nice day.